What's up, Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might have checked out viralpages.ai by Tai Lopez, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money this way in 2024? This will obviously, go into 2025 and 2026 as well as he updates it. All right, let's check it out. Is it legit? What is the strategy all about? And let's find out if this is a good way for you to make money online with Instagram. Okay, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 or more a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I will review my favorite strategy to do that online. Now, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online on this channel. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are big waste of time. So let's check out Viral Pages by Tai Lopez to find out what this is about and whether this is a good way for you to make money online this year, okay? Now, I don't think Tai Lopez needs an introduction. He is a very, very famous marketer. He has made hundreds of millions of dollars. He knows what he's doing, okay? He's got a big team behind him. He got very famous on YouTube because he did a video where he had his Lamborghini or Ferrari in the background in his garage. That's how he actually became huge on YouTube, right? That was really kind of his claim to fame, but he's a very successful internet marketer, right? This is one of his latest programs. It's called viralpages.ai. And in a nutshell, what he's going to be teaching you how to do in this is basically a course, okay? It's a viral Instagram course where he's going to teach you basically to create AI-driven videos. And he's going to teach you how to pick niche channels on Instagram, upload consistently these AI generated videos, and then go viral with the videos, okay? And then what you're supposed to do is, as you're uploading the videos and your channel starts to grow over time, the way that you monetize the channel is you can do a few different things. You can sell your own products in your links, you can sell affiliate products, you can become an influencer and charge companies different prices to add different promotions and videos on your channel. So there are multiple ways to monetize this once your channel becomes big, but the idea is to create a viral growth channel on Instagram, a theme channel in specific niches using AI-driven content. And then once you become big, then you can monetize it in different ways, okay? It's as simple as that, all right? So the question is does it work? Okay, so does this strategy actually work? How much does it cost and all that stuff, okay? So first of all, this is a $197 course. It's not expensive. There is a 10-day refund policy, so it's not 30 days, it's 10 days. If you don't like it in 10 days, he will refund your money, which is pretty cool. Let's talk about a couple of the things on this web page. It is a pretty hypey page. Tai Lopez is a marketer. He likes to hype stuff up. He makes it sound really, really simple. All right, that's the only thing I would say. A lot of these testimonials right here, okay, I want you to show right here, are not testimonials for viral pages. Okay, so a lot of this stuff, like for example here, this is not from viral pages. This is from his other stuff. Okay, so it's not that he hasn't taught people to be successful. He has. Tai Lopez has some very successful students. Okay, I know some of them as well. Let me just show you right at the top. I think it is. Where is it? Right here. Shakir Hussain, right? Shakir used some of his old strategies. Okay, so he didn't use viral pages specifically. He used some of his old strategies, but Shakir is a very successful internet marketer, and some of these other guys are as well. Okay, so you just have to understand, he's just showing you that he has taught people to become very, very successful, but a lot of them aren't talking specifically about the viral pages strategy, just so that we're 100% clear. It doesn't mean that Tai Lopez isn't successful and he doesn't have successful students. He does. But we're talking specifically about this viral pages strategy because that's what he's selling here, right? So let's talk about the strategy a little bit and whether it works or not, okay? So this is the big thing with Instagram, right? I've been doing Instagram a long time. I've bought tons and tons of different courses on Instagram. Instagram is tough. All right, Instagram is a beast. The algorithm is very, very tricky, and they know that there are a lot of people that are trying to game their algorithm. It's kind of like Google, okay? And Instagram is also, it's been around for a long time, right? So it's not like TikTok, where TikTok is very easy to get views and go viral. Instagram is hard to go viral, all right? And even if you use viral videos, like if you take somebody else's viral video and you upload it onto your Instagram channel, the chances that that's going to go viral is very slim because you're copying somebody else's video. Now with Ty's strategy is slightly different. His strategy is to pick a good niche and to pick something viral and then use an AI software to tweak that video so it's not exactly the same. So that's a good thing, okay? But that doesn't mean that your video is going to go viral on Instagram, all right? But that doesn't mean that it's not going to go viral either, okay? So the thing about this strategy is that you're going to have to put in a lot of work into it. And the thing that I like about this right here is that he does have a disclaimer, okay? So he says, look, your success really depends on your dedication, your niche selection, your content strategy, and for the full details, you can see the terms and conditions. And that, I think, is very, very important, all right? Because even though this strategy can work, right, it is one of those things where you really have to massage it consistently. All right, you're not going to have success just from day number one, just by creating a couple of AI videos and then uploading it and then crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. This strategy does work, but it's going to require you to put in a lot of work. You have to do a lot of analytical work. You're going to have to tweak it. You're going to have to change it. You're going to have to try many, many, many videos before maybe some of them will go viral. That's kind of how it works. Because the problem is that the Instagram algorithm is very, very tough. Like I mentioned earlier, they're not just gonna let any video go viral. Even if you make a good video and you modeled somebody else's video that went viral, it doesn't mean that yours will go viral, okay? It's just the way that the algorithm works. You're really going to have to put in a lot of time into this and tweak it and tweak it and tweak it and tweak it before your videos go viral, and then you just model your videos that go viral. And that's kind of how it works, okay? So it's not that the viralpages.ai, this course, it's not that it doesn't work. It works. This strategy does work, but what you have to understand is that it's not as simple as Ty makes it sound on the sales page. That's all, okay? And as long as you come in with open eyes and you understand that this strategy is going to take you a lot of effort and a lot of work and a lot of consistency and a shit ton of trial and error, okay, because that's kind of the way that it works, right? Then that's okay, okay? It's not expensive, you know, it's not $1,000 course, for example, it's $197. There's a 10-day refund, okay, which is cool. So if you want to check it out, you can come to viralpages.com, but what I would say is be ready to work. All right, be ready to do a lot of work, because a lot of these quote unquote viral strategies are very much hit and miss. Yes, there are certain things that you can do, like pick the right niche, use the right AI tool, model other, guys that are doing AI and stuff like that. But having said that, it still does require a lot of trial and error. And that's just the way it works, because the algorithms are very, very tricky. That's the main thing. Instagram doesn't necessarily want you to go viral. They want you to go viral by creating some super duper high quality stuff. And when you use AI at this current point in time, it's not super duper high quality. A lot of people copy other people. Instagram knows that, and that's why it's hard to go super viral. I hope that makes sense, okay? So as long as you come in with eyes wide open, I'm not saying that this course doesn't work, it does, but you're just going to have, it's not as easy as he makes it sound, that's all it is, all right? You're gonna have to put in a lot of work into it. So if you wanna check it out, viralpages.com, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different strategies. Some are good, some are so-so, some are really, really bad. Out of all the good ones, there's one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I actually 5 times my old corporate salary. I've made almost $2 million from this particular strategy. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do it step by step. Click the link right at the bottom and you can get access to that for free if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of viralpages.ai by Ty Lopez. See you on the next video review. Take care.